Good morning, class 6. So we are back again with SSC today. Today is the 28th. And so, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing fine, safe at home, and taking care of yourselves and uh, studying in a disciplined way and leading your life in a disciplined way, in a right way. So, that is what it is. And you have to become a good human being also in life. This is the time to prove yourself to your parents, you know, respect them, try to show them what you are. This is the right time. They'll get to see you. They know you already. Your parents know you very well, so you have to just prove it. Okay, so let's start. We were there at chapter 2 of civics, and we were doing all human beings are equal. I was telling you about prejudice, stereotypes, and discrimination last class. So today I'm going to read. I've explained you about prejudice, and I'll read and let's see what we go through. And then please follow the website where you see the download notes. You will see there all homeworks will be given for you to solve, and I'll be giving up some questions also for you to, with answers. Most probably there will be lot of answers and questions. You have to find out. It's there in the book. The questions are there also in the book, so you have to just find your answers from there. My notes and answers are there, so you read the question and follow those notes and that information which I send. You will get all your answers there. Okay, so you have to work hard. I cannot just go to you, give everything to you, and you'll just sit and write. That is not done. So you have to also work from your end. If I am working so hard from my end, sending you recordings, working up things, so you can also do something in return. And for in return, I just only need is you to do your homeworks the way I give you. Find out answers. If you find, you will get. If you don't find, you will not get. Okay. And please do read your chapters properly, because MCQs, remember, MCQs are very important, because right now we might have an online examination for which you have to go through, and you must read your chapter and understand what is there inside. Don't think that there will be questions coming from the back. MCQs are multiple choice questions. There will be so many choices. So if you know your story, or if you know your chapter, if you know the information what is inside that chapter, you will be able to crack any exam. Okay, so let's start. We have read in the earlier chapter what diversity is. We also know how geography influences us and our habits. At times we meet people who are very different from us. Some people make fun of those who are different. They develop negative attitudes and opinions against such people because they feel safe with only those who talk, dress, and think like them. Prejudice and discrimination exist at both the individual and the social level. To get rid of prejudice and discrimination, we must deal with existing beliefs in the society. Suppose I go to Rajasthan. Suppose I go to Punjab. Suppose I go to South India. People are wearing lungis, I wear jeans. I don't speak their language. Suddenly I see one person speaking my language, English. English is normal, okay, fine. But when they start in their mother tongue, I don't understand. Malayalam. What will I do then? Then I find someone who is like me. Someone who is speaking my tongue. Suppose Hindi, or Bengali, or English. But Malayalam, I don't know. Wearing lungi, what he's eating, the food which I eat here is not, I'm not able to adjust. So either I make fun of him, or I think, oh, what the hell, where have I come? You people are, I am my state, I do this, that. You are, it's not that. We cannot do that. We have to respect that. We try to find people who we are normal with, because we think whatever we are okay. It's not that. We have to respect this diversity. We have so many vast cultures. This thing, go over this, go to Google and see what is the cultures of India, the diversity of India. You will come to know. I have read in the last chapter also about Kerala and Ladakh. Right? different places, both are in India. Different cultures, different food, different climate. Some place there is full of water, 18 rivers, some there is no water at all. But that is India. People are also living. People go to visit that place. Prejudice is an unreasonable dislike for a particular group of people or preference for one group over another. So there may be negative attitudes towards or opinions about a person or group simply because the person belongs to a specific religion, race, nationality, or other group. Prejudice evokes strong feelings that are difficult to change. Prejudice can be guided by the color of the skin or the accent in which this person speaks or the clothes they wear. Prejudiced people often hurt other people's feelings. Just now I told you. We have a prejudice against some person just because that person is a different religion. We have that. That is happening in the society. Basic idea. India, Pakistan, Hindu, Muslim. Why? But we see some places Hindu, Muslims are like brothers. They are living together. Neighbor is a Muslim. The top flat is a Muslim on the town. I used to stay in Pune. I had Muslims all over. I had African Muslims also. They were all in the... Some used to work as bouncers in the discos, and some were in the IT section, some were into renting out. They had come and invested money in India. I had Muslims from, Iran. They were staying. I had Indian Muslim friends also. So, that's his religion. What he eats, what he does, what he doesn't do, I don't care. But they also discriminate us, right, at some point of time. Now, what is happening in the bilateral issues of the country, we don't care. We have to stay together. If we stay together, these problems will also solve. But we cannot help it. This will happen, this will stay. We need another Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, and lot of people, Mahatma Gandhi. We should have the Khilafat movement again to solve these issues. But it won't get solved. A lot of other things entangled with it. Sometimes we laugh at other people's skin color. There was this discrimination happening with the Northeast people. In Delhi, Mumbai, Indians were facing problem in Australia. This was happening. We should not do this. You don't know when we need someone else's help. So why say something bad about someone? That person also must, I am not good. I also have bad points. I try to overcome those bad points by improvising on those points. Right? Discrimination. Discrimination means unfair treatment of a person or group on the basis of prejudice. It means treating other people badly, not allowing them to participate in certain activities, restricting their access to work or living in certain neighborhoods, or denying them the things to which they are entitled to by right and law. For example, in some villages, some people are not allowed to draw water from the village well. People belonging to different regions and religions speaking a particular language may be discriminated against because they are considered inferior. Poor people are also discriminated against and treated badly because of their economic condition. I don't know. I want to give you an example. The rickshaw pullers, the rickshawalas in Muzaffarpur. I don't know, I know few of them and they really respect me so much and I respect them so much. I have long chats. I sit on the rickshaw and I go, I don't ask how much he's going to charge. He never charges me anything wrong because he sees me that I'm talking to him so nicely. I don't say, please, I'm going with you, okay, you'll take less money from me. No, I don't. I ask him, how are you doing? How is your family? Is everything okay? It's good, thank you. I say thank you. Oh, he looks at me like that. Sometimes I say it in Hindi. I ask him his name. And if he's a Muslim, I wish him as a Muslim. If he's a Hindu, I say, I wish him as a Hindu. And I try to be good to him. He's a human being, he's working. He's working, I'm paying him so his family is able to eat. But that doesn't mean I'm going to say, hey, what do you think, who the hell you are? I'm paying you so your family is eating, okay? Just quietly go. No. There are some rickshaw pullers also who try to be funny, who try to be smart. But they have been treated, they are supposed to be treated differently. I'll come back in the next video.